Today we are going to be showing you how to repair a wall. This is in a bathroom. We're going to be doing a repair where we took off a countertop and it had a bunch of caulking and it's really dug into the wall. We are going to be repairing it today with dry-dex. When you put it on, it's going to be pink at first and then it dries white. But you want to do it pretty heavy and thick. And put it all the way down the wall and kind of pull back as you go and wipe it away with the spackling knife. Smooth it out as best you can with your knife and get the excess off. You'll have to wait for this to dry, usually overnight or at least a few hours. It will dry white like this piece up here. This piece we did about an hour ago, so you can see where it's starting to turn white. What we're going to show you is how after it dries and you sand it, it will look like you didn't have any marks there at all. You want to come back across it and smooth it out as best you can. And take off all the excess spackling. So the next thing you want to do on this wall after you let the putty dry is you'll want to sand it down and get it even with the wall. So you want to take a sanding block and just lightly sand it. Don't sand too much that you sand off what you repaired. But you want to try to blend it in as best you can. You also, if you have paint that's peeling on your wall, you could take an X-Acto knife and cut around it and then do your patching as well. But as you can see, it's blending pretty well. So after you get done sanding, you want to take your hand and just kind of run it over the top of it. And make sure that it's nice and smooth and you don't have any bumps. And just go over it lightly again. And make sure it's as smooth as you can get it. So you can see that we have sanded this down. It's nice and smooth and we're ready to put our paint on it. You just kind of run your hand over it, make sure there are no bumps, and it feels nice and even and smooth. So we're going to go ahead now and put our first coat of paint on, and you can see where it just covers it right on up. Makes it nice and smooth. So I'm going to go in and just go over this one more time. Anyone can do this. It's a simple job.